Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to buy Spotify Premium with Apple Pay. First thing first, open the Spotify app and make sure it's updated on your iPhone. Tap the Premium button at the bottom menu to view available plans and perks. Just tap Get Premium and then the plan name, for example, Individual, Duo, Family or Student. You'll be redirected to Safari or your default browser. Just choose your payment method like credit, debit card, PayPal, etc. Just tap Complete Purchase and return to the app. Your account should now show Spotify Premium instantly. If this doesn't update right away, log out and log back in or update the Spotify app via the App Store. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.